We have further cleaned the document. It's time to change the header and footers. So first of all, remove these headers. Wherever you find any header or footer, we will remove this, and you can see remove this header. So I guess there are no more headers and footers. So our header and footer portion is clean now. From this header and footer tab, you can change the height and width of the header as well. Let's say if you want to release some space in the header, then you can reduce it 0.5 to, let's say, 0.3. Okay, and this way you have only no space to write anything that should look more professional. So it is always advised to keep it to 0.5. The header and footer should be both 0.5 in height. So we will add the header and footers in a near future, but first of all I would like to explain the important thing. We applied a heading style on these preliminary headings as well, but these preliminary headings are not showing up in the table of content. Even if you right click and if you update the field, then you won't see anything new in this. Yeah, we have deleted so many headings, and you see our table of content has shrinked, but we want to include these headings. So let's see how to do this. Go to the reference tab and create table of content once again, but click on that custom table of content. Under this custom table of content, first of all, remove this show level to from 4 to 3. So till the level 3 headings, it must show in the table of content. Now go to this option. That's the important place where we will tell the table of content to include the preliminary headings as well. Now if you move down, you see the heading 1, 2 and 3 has been given sequential numbers. Just come down until you see the preliminary headings, and you see this is preliminary heading. Apply the 1. This 1 tells the table of content function that this is level 1 headings in table of content. So click OK. Once again click OK, and it is asking me that you want to replace this table of content. Yes to all. And now you will see the preliminary headings have been added successfully, but this final approval has a different text format. First of all, control and click on that heading, and now you can see the whole text is uppercase. So first of all, change this to capitalize each word. Now if you go back to the table of contents and update this, you will see now the text style of the final approval has changed. So this is a refined list of table of contents. One thing to explain when you are updating the table of contents, when you click on update field, you see two options: update page numbers only and update entire page table. When you have moved a heading to any other page, then you have only need to update the page numbers. But if you have added or deleted any heading from the document, then you have to select this option, update entire table. So I hope this should be clear now.